chilly out tonight. Oh, just a little, Jim. It's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. It's a little warmer now, though.
Maybe we should go to bed. The fire's almost out. Let's go home, Scout. Come on.
Okay, Jim. Oh, Atticus, that sure was a real bad fire. Yeah, Atticus, that was real bad.
All right, kids, let's go to bed now.
Night, Atticus.
Good night, Atticus.
Night, Jim.
Good night, Scout. Mrs. DeBose, I'm here.
Come in there, little Jim Finch.
I've come to read for you today.
Why, thank you, Jim. Get your line in and start reading.
No kidding. Wow, I exclaimed. Yes, said Marianne. I got Vanessa and Mallory in there. She nodded toward her cabin. But Claire and Margaret are kind of scared, and they're in with Mrs. and Mr. Pike. Oh, Mr. DeBose, I'm done for today. Better give you your morphine shot. Come on, Scout, let's go.
Oh, I see Atticus. Come on this way. See him over there? Oh, that's okay. He's just sitting there reading. Okay, Scott, we can go home now. Wait, do you hear something? What's that noise? Hey, let's get down. Hey, you see those cars? Wow, I wonder what they're doing this late.
The mob.
Now, Atticus, I don't want any trouble. You just go home right now, okay?
How about you guys go home?
Scott, get back here!
Jim, what are you doing here? I told you guys to stay home. I want you to take Scout home.
I can't. Hey, Walter Cunningham. It's me, Jean Louise Finch. You remember me? You stopped and gave us some hickory nuts one day. You remember me? Walter, your son, he goes to my school. Don't you remember me, Mr. Cunningham? We had a talk that day. Don't you remember?
Yes, sir, I do. Alright, boys, let's go home. There ain't any trouble to be had here. Now, Jim, I want you to take Scout home, and I'll catch up with you later, alright?
Okay. Come on, Scout, let's go.
Tom, you there?
Yeah, I'm still awake.
Yeah, they're gone now. It's okay now.
Okay, I'll just be going to sleep then. Here you are, Judge.
Thanks. This session has come to order. The jury finds Tom Robinson guilty as charged.
Hey, that's just nice try, but I like next time. Yeah, that's right, I'll get you. That's right, keep walking, fool. I'm coming, Mama.
Oh, that nigger's escaping. I think I got him.